Where's it gonna go? Is it gonna climb up on there? Where did it go? Oh, it's coming around. Okay. It's okay. It lives out here, remember? Yeah, some stuff lives outside. Yeah, I know. It lives here, though. Outside is its house. Well, I don't know where it's going. What do you think? Ugh. Oh, it fell down again. Yeah. It fell down. What's gonna happen? Think it can roll over? What do you think? Oh, it's almost there. It's gonna roll. Oh, come on, buddy. Flip over. Flip over. You can do it. It's like when you were learning how to roll, remember? Do you remember learning how to roll over? No? Yeah, baby, what's up? Do you want to go inside and see the kittens? Kitty. Okay.